What's up, guys? So, I figured I'd teach you how to play a Quinn 29 song. I actually like calling him Quincy. I don't know why. Probably because it looks like that. But I found out he calls himself Quinn 29, so I think it's 29 at least. So this is a song called Stay Next to Me, and I really like this song, especially because it's got like a... So that's the first progression, right? So I can tell you, it's probably supposed to be... which is basically like the D, but I keep it open, so it sounds a little bit better. But you can do the full D, I guess. And if you don't know that chord, that's like the B major 7, I think, or B minor 7. B minor 7. So basically it's like an E minor. It's basically like an E minor 7, but you bring this finger down, which I guess doesn't help you if you don't know what the E minor 7 looks like. But basically you take an E, right? And to make E minor 7, you do this, right? And you let go of this. But to make this a B minor 7, you just lower your... So if you're looking here, it looks a little like this, but I play it like this, so it just makes it easier. So this finger here, this finger here, this finger here. And that's a B minor 7. Very fun activity, alternative version. And then this is the A. So it like would have been, this is A, this is B minor 7. So you can play it either way. You can play it like... or you can play it, and then you go to A, B minor 7, then you go back to, which if you don't know what this is, okay, so basically there's a variation, and you should learn all of these chords right here because this is like the heart of music for the most part. So you got D, and then you got G, right? But a lot of people don't know about this F sharp D. Right, so it's like D with the F sharp slash or whatever. So a lot of times in really good songs, you can hear the bounce go from, because it's all the same chord. So right. Still got laundry. Make me drink some more. So this variation of D that I've been playing, so this is I think it's called a D suspended, maybe a D suspended 7. I'm not completely sure on that. Hate me later. This is why I haven't taken a theories class, because basically it's really hard for me to learn what it is, the micro notes, right? I just know the general thing, I can hear it, I can play it, and I know the patterns, and you know, for the most part I got it all down. But it's basically a C moved up. And it makes it so you don't have to just play like this empty, but you can play. So didn't even wanna go out, you call me. It's been a long day, still got laundry. 2, 3 drinks and one more. just running around. Feeling people coldness. We should go somewhere. If you choose, I don't care. As long as you're right there, stay next to me. We can go anywhere. Yeah, we should go somewhere. You choose, I don't care. As long as you're right there, stay next to me. Anyway, thought I'd teach you how to play the Quinn 29 song. Now somebody else can go cover it and play the appropriate chords with the appropriate timing. There's some good covers out there, don't get me wrong, but a lot of them are on piano. I'm saying the guitar, if you play these chords and you sing it right, you can get it down good. I plan to do a cover soon, but you know, my voice and the lyrics and the timing, it's probably gonna take a little bit of time, but I figured I'd at least upload how you can play Quinn 29, Stay Next to Me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative enough. I know these aren't the things you wanna hear, but D, F sharp slash D, or D slash F sharp, G, A, B minor 7, D, F sharp, G. And then for I think there's too many bodies, it's B minor 7. I think there's too many random bodies dancing with us. If three's a part, what was your call this? Yeah, we should go somewhere. You choose, I don't care. As long as you're right there, stay next to me. Yeah, we don't stand. You don't know this band. As long as you're right here, stay next to me. You know, you get the picture. Get that. I haven't played guitar in like a few months, but I've been playing for 18 years, so now it's stuck with me. It's stuck with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I can get better and play you this cover because I really like the song. Quinn 29. I'm so sad that's actually the name. I thought it was Quincy. And I really like your music, Quincy. I hope you keep doing that if you ever watch this. Honestly, every time I'm on the radio of my Spotify shit, and then all of a sudden I really like the song, I'm like, what is this? And I'm like, oh, it's Quinn 29. Quincy. This is Quincy. All right, everybody can kill me later.